in our today's session, we will push the source code to GitHub repository practically. Come on, guys. Go to Maven practice and git bash here. I want to create the project right now. This is my code. I want to create one project, and I want to give that app as like HDFC app com.hdfc here. Copy this code for creating the project. Go to git bash and run the code here. So it will create the project. I'll show you here. See here, one HDFC project will be created shortly. There is no HDFC right now. Once the code is executed, we can see the HDFC. See here, HDFC app is created, right? Okay. Once the HDFC app is created, see here, in the D drive, HDFC app is created, right? Next step is you go like cd HDFC. You need to go. Okay. Next we need to run the Maven goals. MVN clean package. Run it. Now we are packaging the code. First it will clean the project and it will build the project. Once the project is built, HDFC app.war file will be created in this particular path. So that war file is called a artifact. We will use this artifact for deploying into Tomcat servers. Okay. So right now our build is successful. We will, in the next step, what we will do, we will push the code to GitHub repository. So go to your project. This is my project, HDFC project. See source, target and format.xml. Go to target. Your HDFC app.war is created just now. So I want to push the source code to GitHub repository. So right click and git bash here. Okay. So right now the files are here, right? I want to push the source code to GitHub repository. So let me first initiate the Git repository. Git init. Okay. Next, give git status. So I have 3 files which are untracked. So git add dot. Now again check the git status. So right now changes to be committed. So let's commit this one. Git commit -m push the files. Enter. So right now the files are committed, and before pushing the code to GitHub repository, I need to create one repository in the GitHub repository. Let's go here and create the repository. Click here on the GitHub and click on new and provide the repository name. That is my app name is HDFC, right? I am creating one repository name, HDFC hyphen app something. Same, right? Similarly I will give. What is my project name? HDFC hyphen app. Okay. We will give as it is. Then you come down and click on create repository. Scroll down, copy this, execute here. Next, git branch -m main. Right now it is pointing to master. Once I execute this command, it will point to main. See, previously it is pointing to master, now it is pointing to main, right? Next, you execute the last command, git push -u origin main. Paste here and execute. So all the files will be pushed to the GitHub repository right now. So all the files are pushed to GitHub repository. Arshahab HDFC app. Let's go and check all the files are came or not. Scroll up and just give the refresh here. See, just now 2 minutes ago HDFC app is created and all the files got created here, right? Like this we can create the project, run the test cases and build the project and push the code to GitHub repository. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.